Are you struggling with the Praxis Interdisciplinary Early Childhood Education 5023 Collaboration with Families and Colleagues exam? This video will help you understand exactly what to expect and how to approach collaboration questions with confidence. Hi, I'm Selena, a Study.com test prep expert with 21 years of teaching experience. Today, we will focus on effective ways to work with families and colleagues, build strong communication, and create supportive learning environments. Key skills for both the exam and the classroom. Stick around until the end for more test-taking tips and strategies to help you feel fully prepared. Let's dive in. A teacher wants to address a family's concern about their child's math skills. Which of the following is the best approach? A. Incorporate math activities into the child's center-based experiences. B. Send the child to a specialized math tutor. C. Ignore the concern because math is not a priority in early childhood education. Or D. Ask the parents to teach math at home. Let's walk through the process of elimination. B is incorrect. This isn't the best first step in early childhood. Young children learn best through play and hands-on activities, not formal tutoring. C is incorrect. Ignoring family concerns breaks trust and is incorrect. Early math skills are important for later learning. D is incorrect. Parents can help, but it's the teacher's job to support learning at school. It's not fair or effective to shift that responsibility completely to the family. The correct answer is A. This approach addresses the family's concern by providing extra support in the area of need within the context of the child's regular learning environment. A student is having difficulty with reading comprehension. Which of the following would be the most effective way to involve the student's parents and a reading specialist? A. Ask the parents to read more with the student at home. B. Request the reading specialist to provide more intensive one-on-one instruction for the child. C. Incorporate suggestions from the parents and the reading specialist into the student's reading plan. Or D. Ask the parents to speak with the reading specialist directly. A is incorrect. Reading at home helps, but it doesn't address how to support comprehension or include input from the reading specialist. B is incorrect. This leaves out the teachers' and parents' roles. Teamwork and consistency are key for progress. D is incorrect. This shifts responsibility away from the teacher, who should coordinate and connect everyone's efforts. The correct answer is C. This approach ensures that the student receives a consistent message about reading strategies at school and at home, and it allows the teacher to incorporate expert knowledge from the reading specialist. What is the best way to respond when a team member makes a mistake? A. Report the mistake to the team leader. B. Privately discuss this mistake and offer help. C. Publicly point out the mistake. Or D. Ignore the mistake and move on. A is incorrect. This can make the teammate feel embarrassed or mistrusted if you haven't tried to help first. C. Calling someone out in front of others can hurt morale and damage teamwork. D. Ignoring it doesn't solve the problem or help the person learn from it. The correct answer is B. It's important to address mistakes in a positive and constructive manner. Privately discussing the mistake and offering help promotes learning and maintains trust within the team. What is the primary goal of applying family systems theory in an educational context? A. To understand how a child's behavior and development are influenced by family dynamics. B. To involve the child's family in the educational process. C. To determine the appropriate discipline strategies for individual children. Or D. To identify and diagnose individual family members' psychological disorders. B is incorrect. Involving families is important, but that's a strategy, not the main goal of family systems theory. C is incorrect. Discipline decisions are not the focus. The theory is about understanding relationships, not managing behavior. D is incorrect. Teachers don't diagnose. That's a clinical role, not an educational one. The correct answer is A. Family systems theory posits that each member of the family influences and is influenced by every other member, and that one person's behavior can affect the entire family system. In an educational context, understanding a child's family dynamics can provide valuable insight to the child's behavior and development. Thanks for sticking with me through these Praxis Interdisciplinary Early Childhood Education 5023 exam collaboration with families and colleagues practice question. By reviewing these examples, you're strengthening your understanding of teamwork and communication skills that matter both on the test and in the classroom. For more practice, check out our Praxis 5023 playlist. And for even more detailed practice strategies and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our Praxis Interdisciplinary Early Childhood Education Test Prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy studying.